I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock on your phone, step by step. First, you'll need to choose a reliable mobile brokerage application. There are many options available, so compare their features, such as trading fees and investment choices. Look for apps that offer commission-free trading for stocks and exchange-traded funds, which can save you money. Always prioritize an app with robust security to protect your personal and financial information. Once you've selected your brokerage app, the next step is to fund your account. You'll typically link your bank account directly to the app. Common methods include ACH transfers, which usually take 2 to 5 business days, or wire transfers for quicker access. Many platforms allow you to start with a minimum deposit of just a few dollars, making investing accessible to almost everyone. Ensure your funds have settled before placing trades. With your account funded, it's time to research and select stocks. Most brokerage apps provide extensive research tools, including company financials, news feeds, and analyst ratings. Take your time to understand the companies you're interested in. Consider diversifying your investments across various sectors to mitigate risk. Remember, investing in the stock market always carries some level of risk, so make informed decisions. Finally, you're ready to place your stock order. Navigate to the specific stock you want to buy within the app. You'll then choose your order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a maximum purchase price. Enter the number of shares you wish to acquire. Always double-check all the details of your order, including the stock symbol and quantity, before confirming your trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.